Paano mag-register ng retailer online? So, go to onebrowglobal.com, tapos i-click ang OneBrow Express Loading Business. Yan. Tapos madadirect tayo sa page ng Load Central. So, log in mo lang yung username and password mo. Yan. Yan. So, i-click ang register a retailer. And then, fill up natin yung mga desired information. So, lahat ng mga may asterisk, yun po yung mga needed information. So, yung last name, first name, middle initial, yung address, city, yung province. Ayan. Yung ID type. So, kung wala siyang ID, pwede natin ilagay yung others. And then, yung ID number, ilagay lang natin 00. Email address. Kung wala siyang email address, pwede din natin ilagay yung xyz@yahoo.com. And then, username. Yung username is yung cellphone number na i-register natin. So, ito yon. And then, iset natin sa dynamic yung web IP address. Tapos, yung retailer's account name, yung pangalan ng retailer mo. And then, i-enter lang natin yung second level password mo. Then, click lang register new retailer. So, itong lalabas na message. Ayan. So, retailer, yung retailer number successfully registered. And then, sa retailer mo, may marireceive siyang confirmation text with password. Kailangan lang niyang mag-change password. So, ganun lang kadali.